In this video, I'm going to show you how to write YouTube script using DeepSeek AI with this updated 2025 guide. First, open DeepSeek, log into your account, then go to the chat box and type a simple prompt like write me a YouTube script about how to save money. For better result, be more specific by adding your video length, tone, and structure. Something like create a 1 minute YouTube script, friendly tone with an intro, steps, and a quick outro. DeepSeek will instantly generate a full script for you. If you want changes, just type follow-up prompts like make it shorter, make it funnier, add examples, or rewrite the intro. You can also ask if you want to create thumbnail text, video titles, and short descriptions to match your script. Once you're happy with this result, copy it into your notes or editing app and you're ready to record. And that's it.